Health Sustainable Development Goals, Module 3B. Sustainable Development Goals. We have no poverty, zero hunger, good health, education, gender equality, clean water, clean energy, and economic growth. Number 1. No poverty. Implement nationally appropriate social protection systems and measures for all, including floors, and by 2030 achieve substantial coverage of the poor and the vulnerable. By 2030, ensure that all men and women, in particular the poor and the vulnerable, have equal rights to economic resources, as well as access to basic services, ownership, and control over land in other forms. Of 13, property, inheritance, natural resources, appropriate new technology, and financial services, including microfinance. Create sound policy frameworks at the national, regional, and international levels based on proper and gender-sensitive development strategies to support accelerated investment in poverty eradication actions. Ensures upgraded programs to elevate all forms of inadequateness in economic life. By 2030, build the resilience of the poor and those in vulnerable situations and reduce their exposure and vulnerability to climate-related extreme events and other economic, social, and environmental shocks and disaster. Number 2. Zero hunger. By 2030, end all forms of malnutrition, including achieving by 2025 the internationally agreed targets on stunting and wasting in children under 5 years of age, and address the nutritional needs of adolescents, girls, pregnant and lactating women, and older persons. Adopt measures to ensure the proper functioning of food commodity markets and their derivatives and facilitate timely access to market information, including on food reserves, in order to help limit extreme food price volatility. Number 3. Good health and well-being. By 2030, reduce by one-third premature mortality from non-communicable diseases through prevention and treatment and promote mental health and well-being. Strengthen the prevention and treatment of substance abuse, including narcotic drug abuse and harmful use of alcohol. Number 4. Education. By 2030, ensure that all girls and boys complete free, equitable and quality primary and secondary education leading to relevant and goal for effective learning outcomes. By 2030, ensure that all girls and boys have access to quality early childhood development, care, and pre-primary education so that they are ready for primary education. By 2030, ensure equal access for all women and men to affordable and quality technical, vocational, and tertiary education, including university. Next is number 5. Gender equality. End all forms of discrimination against all women and girls everywhere. Eliminate all forms of violence against all women and girls in the public and private spheres, including trafficking and sexual and other types of exploitation. Eliminate all harmful practices such as child, early and forced marriage and female genital mutilation. Ensure women's full and effective participation in equal opportunities for leadership at all levels of decision-making in political, economic, and public life. Enhance the use of enabling technology, in particular information and communications technology, to promote the empowerment of women. Adopt and strengthening sound policies and enforceable legislation for the promotion of gender equality and the empowerment of all women and girls at all levels. Number 6. Clean water. By 2030, achieve universal and equitable access to safe and affordable drinking water for all. By 2030, achieve access to adequate and equitable sanitation and hygiene for all and end open defecation, paying special attention to the needs of women and girls and those in vulnerable situations. By 2030, improve water quality by reducing pollution, eliminating dumping, and minimizing release of hazardous chemicals and materials, halving the proportion of untreated wastewater, and substantially increasing recycling and safe reuse globally. Number 7. Clean energy. By 2030, ensure the universal access to affordable, reliable, and modern energy services. By 2030, increase substantially the share of renewable energy in the global energy mix. By 2030, enhance the international cooperation to facilitate access to clean energy research and technology, including renewable energy, energy efficiency, and advance in cleaner fossil fuel technology. And promote investment in energy infrastructure and clean energy technology. Ensures access to affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern energy for all. And last, economic growth. Sustain per capita economic growth in accordance with national circumstance and, in particular, at least 7% gross domestic product growth per annum in the least developed countries. Achieve higher levels of economic productivity through diversification, technological upgrading, innovation include through a focus in high-value, added, and labor-intensive sectors. Again, thank you for watching and also understanding.